How do I take this sour apple and make it sweet? Let's find out. I've been recently trying to eat more fruits and veggies in my diet. This has opened up a whole new phase in my life of trying new foods, deciding everything is gross, and then making mac and cheese instead. One of the things that I thought I remember really loving as a kid is Granny Smith apples. Maybe it was just the name or the color, but I thought they were gonna be incredible. However, when I bit into one earlier this week, I was surprised to find them a bit sour and not pleasant at all. And so begins my search of trying to figure out how to make this sour little apple as sweet as it possibly can be. All I had to type into Google was how to make Granny Smith apples sweeter, and I was overwhelmed by the amount of results. I didn't even have to click a link for Google to recommend me this idea right here. It sounds a bit on the odd side, but I have my apple, a slicer. I even have some salt. Why not try it? Though just to be on the safe side, I think I'm gonna let my little brother, who's visiting me this weekend, take that inaugural taste test.
Oh, that's really sad. Oh. Oh, ew. Oh.
Okay guys, I don't have any clue what happened, but that was one of the worst experiences of both my life as well as my poor little brother's. I don't know, maybe I just used too much salt or something, but I'm not gonna try again and find out. I was even gonna try to eat one here on camera, but that ain't happening. As far as I'm concerned, Granny Smith is just that evil queen who gave the poison apples Snow White. What I want to do instead is figure out what kinds of apples I might actually like. And luckily for me, Stimelt.com seems to have the perfect list, ranking apples from sweetest to most tart and sour and awful and terrible and miserable. Notice how Granny Smith apples are way at the bottom of this list. Oops. Feel free to pause and look through the list and find the perfect apple for you, but I know my next apple is gonna be a Fuji, right at the top. In summary, Granny Smith apples are sour and evil and detestable and awful, and nobody should ever eat them. Also, the idea of adding salt is either a mean prank at best or a criminal at worst. It was so bad. We should boycott all Granny Smith apples as far as I'm concerned and just eat Fuji instead.